You know everything, all right? All the W's and the H. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. When you are prepared, opportunity comes and success can occur. When you are not prepared, you're doomed to fail, right? Success blesses those who are prepared for opportunity, meaning that when opportunity arises, if you're not prepared, success passes you by. But if you are prepared, when that opportunity comes, hey, you're rising to the top because you're prepared for success. If you're not prepared and you fail, it's because you didn't get ready. So preparation, uh, pr- proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. If you want to succeed in something, anything, be prepared. You're about to give a speech. You're about to go do an event. You're about to go take your child to a class. You're about to be a parent for the first time. You're about to get married. You're about to start a new job. Whatever it is you're about to do, you're about to go on a date. You're about to go to whatever it is you're going to do. Being prepared puts you at a higher advantage to success. If you're gonna do laundry, it's better to fold your clothes and put them away so that you can literally have them ready when you need them. You're prepared. Rather than doing your clothes in the laundry and then throwing them into a fucking bag and not folding them. Now they're wrinkled and you gotta iron them out and you gotta take care of them. And if you leave it there, now you just look slouchy and sloppy and whatever, right? It just looks bad. It's a bad image. It create mildew and now you got clothes you gotta throw away or wash again because you didn't take care of it right, right? So those who fail to prepare are preparing to fail. Those who fail to prepare are preparing to fail. If you are not taking the time to prepare, you're gonna fail. It's like it's damn near guaranteed. I'm not saying it's gonna happen every time. That's why I said damn near, but it's right there. It's close. So preparation changes everything. Changes everything. In 2024, I quit my job on September 5th. I didn't like it. I wasn't happy. I've been feeling like that for a long time, for a long time, and that wasn't just that job. It was many jobs, um, and I pursued my business. Why? Because I told myself, Leo, if someone asked me, and I'm a coach, if someone asked me to give a speech, and this was it back then, if someone asked me to give a speech, I was not prepared for that opportunity. If someone asked me to coach them, I was not prepared for that opportunity. What would my transformation progress look like? What would the phases be? Right? What would the sessions look like? I wasn't prepared for that. If someone asked me to sell a product, I wouldn't have a product ready for that. If someone asked me to go be a coach in any way, shape, or form or capacity, other than doing like on the spot impulsively, I was not prepared. And even on the spot impulsively, I would not have known what to say or do. So I quit. I was working on a book. I was already almost done, and I had already finished piloting my program. I said, you know what? Let's start this. Let's go full fledged. You're either all in or not in at all. Right? You can't have one foot in the water and one foot out. You got to jump in the river all the way. They say you should never jump in the river with both feet. But come on now. That's if you're testing how deep it is. But if you really want to go all the way, you got to go all the way. You got to jump. So I jumped and I got myself prepared. I got myself a book ready. I got a free starter kit for those who don't have the financial means to do so right now because I've been there too. I created a video series for those who want more information. I created a mindset course because, listen, that's where it all started from, the mind. And then I created identity coaching because you cannot change any of those things, your thought process, your emotional process, your habits without changing your identity. The identity you think from and feel from and act from changes everything. It is the lens in which you see life. And so I literally got myself prepared so that when opportunity comes, I was able to be prepared for that person, that client, that experience, that business. And I literally in my first year got a client. And I was successful in making sure I had enough money to take care of my bills, my needs, my expenses, my family. And that was a game changer for me. Without a job, my business took care of things because I was prepared. That was wonderful. But if I didn't prepare myself, and that opportunity came and that client needed help, I would have missed that opportunity. I would have missed that chance for success. I would have missed the chance to help out. And that would have hurt because that's all I wanted to do was help transform people. What opportunities are you missing because you aren't preparing yourself? What chances of success are you delaying because you have not prepared yourself? Where are you failing right now because you aren't prepared? Write it down in the comments down below. And if that doesn't make you feel comfortable, fine. Go grab a notebook or a pen and paper and write down right now what you need to do, what you need to be in order to have the life that you want. And go prepare yourself to make it happen. This is not a joke. You want to change your life? Prepare yourself. The word for me in 2024 was preparation. I changed how I prepare everything. I took my time with things, and I was never late anywhere I went because I was prepared. Always on time, never late because I prepared myself to leave early. And I never had to rush because I was prepared. What can preparation do for you? How can it change your life? Who can you be if you're more prepared? What opportunities can come your way if you're more prepared? These are the things you got to ask yourself. You're probably not asking yourself, or probably no one has ever asked you. Go be prepared. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. Those who fail to prepare are preparing to fail. Okay? As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful. I'm Mitch, the Life Coach.